And as you can see, this is how I spent my Thanksgiving. My space heater caught on fire. They're all about to leave. Oh my gosh. This is unbelievable. Fire trucks, everything. Oh. Whew. Thank you, Lord. I'm glad I didn't have anything skimpy on. Woo, child. Okay, well, they're about to leave. I cannot believe this is how I spent my Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh. Fire trucks. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Let me put it on the side. Rocky, stay there. Whew. Okay. My space heater, and I am putting it over somewhere. Wait. I wanted to show you guys. Look. Look at this. Oh my gosh. All right, well, look. I just want to let you guys know what happened. And, gosh, this sucks. All right. Talk to you soon.